Ganda! Go, Jen.
Grabe, si Capri's here. Yan, 1, 2, 3. Portrait tayo. 1, 2, 3. Bert! Hi, Sam! Ay! Jason Bert!
Siyempre, di pwede wala si Jason dito.
Yeah. Invited ba?
Nanood ka?
Oo.
Bibili ka dapat.
Oo.
Ito na? Ay, sa baka?
Sorry, mayroon na tayo 3 partner guys. It's just for each partner for each partner.
Ay, yung pula?
Yes. Yung third one is very important kasi you need to see your
Ang sa ilaw. Ay, na na.
Ito na may ilong.
Sam! Ganda! Mag-red carpet ka. Ganda ng Chusa.
So pretty.
Si Bianca.
Thank you po.
Hi, Winston.
Oh my God. How are you?
I'm good. Register mo na rin ako, ha? Hi, Mika. Ang ganda.
Pwede nyo lang mapag-isip. Sorry, may para mapilya. Facebook na. Ano ba ito? Ito na lang sulit. Pagkain kasi.
Ako din
Starters daw eh.
Gutom na ako. May pagkain. May pagkain. Kumain na po kayo.
Hindi pa.
Ano na, kain na tayo.
Sige po. Yes, flavor.
Ang sexy naman.
Galing pa ako ng isang event.
Ay, alam mo yung concert pala sa
Sorry, you have 3 partners here.
Ay, ang bait naman.
Sorry, ma'am. Ano naman yung table, sir? Ay, sir, tanong nyo lang dyan.
Iba talaga ang Pinay Big Brother.
Pero may aside ba?
Sa'yo naman, hindi ko ba na easy?
Wala pa.
Wala pa wala.
Mga kabatch mo wala pa.
Okay.
Mga ano, collab na second batch.
Sila. Wala pa sila easy. Wala sila Brent.
Wala pa. Si Ana Magkawas.
Si Ate Ana.
Nandiyan na ba sila? Yes. Kasi gumawas na yung hinahanap ng ano. Pero si Mama.
Mika! See you sa concert! Sige po. Ikat na pala si Miss. Ang ganda!
Hi, Ray.
The VP Choice Awards Beauty Clinic of the Year recognizes the clinic that consistently offers exceptional services, innovative treatments, and a strong commitment to enhancing the beauty and well-being of its clients.
Got nominated when we found out through a random Instagram story. It was so surreal and
The VP Choice Awards Author of the Year recognizes the people's favorite author who continues
So supportive of me, my family, my relatives, my friends, and my boyfriend who's here with me tonight. Thank you to Precious Pages Corporation, to our Viva family, and to OC. Thank you for trusting me and sharing my story to the world. And lastly, thank you to my younger self because she started writing at such a young age. and she wanted to tell her story to the world. So now we have.
Hi, bye! Congrats! Ang galing! Push mo ko.
And culturally impactful. The nominees are Steven Bensil, Abby Marquez, Jean-Marie Drink, Christian Anthony, Haj Lar. The VP Choice Award goes to Haji Alejandro. Congratulations.
Hello, mga tao. Good evening, everybody. Again, I am Maraming salamat po.
Congratulations, Joe Marcola. Next, the VP Choice Award, Arizona Brandy, Kiana, Venus Deluxe, Brigadine, and Bert. Arizona Brandy!
Therefore, nakatayo ako sa inyong harapan dahil ang paghihirap ng nakaraan ay naging susi sa aking kinabukasan. In English,
Same for me, because we are in the presence of stardom,
Exactly, greatness.
greatness, star power, here inside, of course. Thanks.
affordable coffee to each and every Filipino natin health education.
Tumingin.
Once again,
Tumingin.
thank you.
Thank you! Galing ako ng interview. Oh my God!
Congrats,
Thank you!
Sashi!
VP Choice Award. Para sa'yo to, Ash Dress na bumoto sa akin.
Wow.
Thank you! I love you, Ash Dress community. At sa lahat ng mga fans na nakikipagbalit-taktakan tuwing nagbabalita ako. Para sa inyo to.
Wow! Ipapo. Kilala si Beth Cabugera.
Once again, congratulations, Amber Villena.
The VP for exceptional leadership, innovation, and success in their business endeavors, while inspiring others with an entrepreneurial journey.
The nominees are Annabelle Lizon for Color Cosmetics. And the VP Choice Award goes to Ana Magawas. Congratulations.
I just want to give you congratulations. But I also congratulate
Pa-favor na sa camera tayo.
Sinasama ko ang brilyante. Picture ako.
Standing global. This continues to break barriers and elevate Filipino music on the world stage.
Their continued rise not only reflects their artistry and dedication, but also signals a defining moment of Filipino music as it gains recognition on a world. Resilience and dedication to the craft by all families.
The VP Choice Award, Headline of the Year for Entertainment Radio is presented. Papa Jackson, congratulations. defining what it means to be an icon of star, confidence, and undeniable star power.